Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Volkswagen Jetta 118 TSI, stock reference number 5001. The shape runs from the first month 2009 through to the 7th month 2011. It has a CAVD 1.4 litre 4-cylinder twin charge super petrol engine backed by an MGM automatic front wheel drive transmission. CAVD 1.4 litre 4-cylinder twin charge petrol engine with left hand headlight, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has 2 small dents, left rear door has 1 small dent, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, left boot lid garnish, boot lid appears to have no damage, tidy rear bumper cover, right hand boot lid garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, both right hand doors appear to have no damage, right guard has 1 small dent, right power door mirror, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, this vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, black cloth center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.